Hello everyone, welcome to Freddie the Hook's boat shop. Today we're working on a cabin to go on the front of my boat so that we'll be able to keep out of the rain the early season. It's entirely constructed of wood except for the roof, which is aluminum. It will be 4 feet from here, the roof, down to the floor, providing plenty of sitting headroom for two larger fellows. I don't know if a 6'6" would be able to fit in there, but certainly a 6-footer because I did the measurements myself. It's constructed of white pine and some old cedar siding that I had that I'd taken off a chicken coop some years ago. The front hatch is a piece of plywood. The gap there, the window, will be filled in with plastic window plexiglass. Front hatch is removable so as to be able to access the bow area. The bow comes approximately here and then to here, bow area. That way, if need be, the bow can be accessed for handling ground tackle and so forth. The roof, in the interest of saving weight, is a sheet of aluminum. Is yet to be screwed down. Still needs to be varnished, stained then varnished. A lot of compound angles needed to be cut. All the woodwork is glued and screwed. These holes will probably be filled with a little wood putty. It sits on the edge of the rail along here on the boat. I'll probably add some sort of support from here down to the floor of the boat, just to give a little extra strength. I'll have to see when I do a trial installation. Under here there'll be a rubber bushing gasket so that it sits softly. I have not yet determined how I'm going to attach it to the boat. Probably with bolts, wing nuts. This project needs to be completed by the end of March, early April, so that it's available for the early striped bass season on the Hudson. Models like this are available custom built for your boat. Depending on the size of the boat and the kind of wood you'd like me to use, it could run $2,000 to $5,000. I estimate I have about 100 hours of labor in this. Material so far, about $125. The aluminum was the most expensive piece. Check out metal supermarkets. They have all kinds of metal. Little plug for them. I believe they're nationwide. So, this is a winter project. Anybody that would like to go striped bass fishing on the upper Hudson this spring, shoot me an email. I'll be going regularly, God willing, and the creek don't rise. Signing off for now. This is Freddie the Hook.